Hey there, Garrett here from Jonard Tools. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking a look at the Professional Multifunction OTDR, part number OTDR-1650, an all-in-one solution designed to test, troubleshoot, and maintain fiber networks with speed and accuracy. Let's break down some key features that makes this OTDR stand out. All-in-one functionality. This unit combines multiple essential tools into one device, including OTDR, Optical Power Meter, light source, visual fault locator, fiber microscope, and more. So instead of carrying multiple testers, you've got everything you need in a single platform. Live fiber testing at 1650 nanometers. The 1650 nanometer wavelength allows you to safely test live fiber networks without interrupting service. It's fully compatible with EPON, GPON, BPON, and even XGS-PON systems, making it ideal for modern telecom environments. High accuracy and dual wavelength testing. With a dynamic range of up to 36 decibels, and simultaneous 1310/1550 nanometer testing, this OTDR delivers precise fault detection and measurement. That means even clearer identification, better troubleshooting, and more reliable results in the field. Smart interface and connectivity. The large color touchscreen and built-in event map make it easy to analyze data quickly. Plus, with built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, the OTDR-1650 pairs with its Android app to let you control tests, view results, and manage data right from your phone. An iOS version of the app is currently in development and should be available soon. Whether you're identifying fiber breaks, measuring cable length, or verifying signal loss, this OTDR is built to streamline your workflow and reduce downtime in the field. If you're looking for a powerful all-in-one fiber testing solution that can handle both installation and maintenance, including live network testing, the OTDR-1650 is a serious upgrade to your toolkit. And that's it for today's video. As always, don't forget to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for many more product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.